Today we'll talk about how can you add your edge on your Fasting Tracker app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, click on me down here, and just click here on me. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you come to this list, you click in this sign here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to next step here. You click here on personal data. So then you come to this list, just click here on edge. So then it's going to show for you like this here, and here can you select edge here in this list. So here can you add your edge. That's all. So you just follow this way, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.